going, ladies and gentlemen? It's the Average Garage here. I did something exciting. I bought an iDrive for the Pajero Sport. So today I'm going to run you through what is an iDrive, what does it do, how does it work, will it give me more power? So what is an iDrive? An iDrive is an electronic throttle controller that modifies the input from your pedal position switch to the ECU. What does an iDrive do? Now, it's supposed to remove your throttle lag, but in reality all it does is change your bandwidth or your usable area of your pedal position. So how does it work? By modifying the signal from your pedal to the ECU, it'll either ramp it up or dumb it down, which will make your pedal more responsive or less responsive. Will an iDrive give you more power? No, it won't. An iDrive will never give you more power. All it does is modify the signal from the pedal to the ECU. It doesn't change your injector timing, your duration, or ignition timing on petrol, anything like that. So with that being said, we've got it in the box here. We're going to go out and fit it to my Pajero Sport, but I'm not going to do it in the shed or the garage. I'm going to drive out to the middle of the pines and I'm going to do it out there with no tools, because it's simply plug and play. Everything you need is in this box, and then we'll be able to give it a couple of test runs. Alright, so I'm literally in the middle of nowhere, and alright, so under the dash here, that's your throttle pedal there, your throttle assembly, that little plug there, I'm going to get that out. The iDrive piggybacks into that, and then we'll have to just run the cable somewhere and we're good. As you can see, there's just a little push tab and the plug just lifts up. Alright, so the piggyback joiner is in. Now I just need to push this back into its original spot. That looks like it's on all the way. It's certainly tight. Alright, now I just need to run this wire. Alright, so I've just plonked it next to the start button here. I might move it a bit later. And the wiring, I've just run through the bottom of the steering wheel, and then I'm just going to tie the excess up and tuck it in here where it can't get mashed against anything. Alright, we're back in the shed now. Got the iDrive box. The iDrive's actually in the car. Did a couple of test runs. I did a 0 to 60 pull and there was no difference in throttle lag. So let's go through the settings of the iDrive. You've got the Eco and the Ultimate. Now each one of these goes from 0 to 9, and the higher the number, the more aggressive on the Ultimate. The higher the number, the more dumbed down and tame it is on the Eco. So with the Ultimate setting, it really ramps up that throttle curve. So I found about 20% throttle by pedal was actually about 100% throttle by ECU. This made it very responsive, but not quite what I was after. The Eco mode did the opposite to the Ultimate. It dumbs it right down. On the maximum Eco mode, so E9, I actually found it was counterproductive. So my foot being 100% down to the ground, so the pedal position's at 100%, the throttle signal to the ECU was only around 75%, so it was very lethargic and sluggish. So what's my wrap up of this? My wrap up, the Eco mode may be good if you want to back a trailer up, if you want to do some tight technical trail or maybe some rock steps or something where you don't want too much power because you could put yourself in a bad situation. So the Ultimate would be good for stuff like sand or any other circumstances where you just want to get off the line and you want to go. It virtually turns it into a race car. I don't really like it for the road use, but that's just me. So in conclusion, an iDrive will change how your car reacts. It modifies the throttle signal like I just said, for better or for worse, but it's very tunable. You can change it to however you want. There is also an auto mode, but I didn't really like it because The auto mode for me was similar to Ultimate 9. It's supposed to change and be variable, but I found it didn't really. It was way too aggressive for me. So that's a quick wrap up of the iDrive, what it does, how it works, all that sort of stuff. And my 2 cents on it. I didn't quite like it, but you know, your miles may vary. Give it a shot. I'm pretty sure they have a 30-day money-back guarantee if you don't like it. One thing worth noting is this is not a sponsored segment. I'm not affiliated with iDrive or sponsored by them at all. I had to pay for it out of my own pocket, unlike a lot of other YouTubers. Keep in mind that if they are sponsored, they might be a little bit biased. For me, I'm just going to stick with my foot and my pedal. I don't really want anything interfering like an iDrive. I didn't find it too comfortable. I didn't find the benefits that I was looking for, and the throttle delay that I was trying to remove is still there. So with that being said, thanks for watching, guys. Hope this is a quick video for you. And please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell button, and leave me a comment in regards to your iDrive. Do you have one? Do you want one? How did you find it? And if you liked it or disliked it, let me know in the comments. Thank you very much, and don't forget to check out the Project NP Build series, and have a good one. We'll see you in the next one.